The implementation of an undergraduate degree in physical activity and sports sciences represents a major commitment by the University of Alicante and the Faculty of Education for our multidisciplinary educational project in the sports field. Our students in this degree learn to design, implement and participate in all professional areas involving physical activity and sports. That is, at the educational, competitive, health and recreational scopes. Therefore, at the end of their training program, students will be able to manage in multiple contexts with all kinds of people, from teenagers to seniors, including people with disabilities or elite athletes. The goal of this degree program is to train dynamic, versatile, innovative, teamwork-able and problem-solving sport professionals. The student training is divided into two main sections. The first consists of all basic knowledge related to physical activity, such as anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. The second is made up by the specific training in key areas of knowledge of this professional scope, closely linked to the main professional opportunities of the degree: teaching, sports training, physical activity for health and quality of life, and sport and recreation management. In the teaching area, the course content is designed to train students to be physical education teachers in both secondary and upper secondary education, as well as in middle and upper vocational studies in the branch of physical activity and sports. The high performance training area is also very relevant for our students, with courses designed to qualify students to work as physical trainers in sporting clubs of any sport modality and competitive level, from amateur to professional sports. One area that has grown exponentially in recent years is physical activity for health and quality of life, especially with the boom of fitness and wellness centers. Society demands and requires skilled professionals capable of designing and implementing programs of physical activity to safely improve the quality of life of individuals, optimizing results. This may be the case of fitness instructors, personal trainers, sport therapists, or specialists in physical activity for people with disabilities. Finally, students receive training in the area of sports and recreation management, enabling them to lead centers and sports facilities, planning and organizing activities and events, and so forth. Career opportunities here include job positions such as directors or managers of sports centers, fitness centers, public sports services, as well as organizers and managers of sports events. All this training content includes important practical sessions on various subjects on individual and team sports, sea sports, physical activity for people with disabilities, physical activity for the quality of life, and so forth. The significant load of practicals included in this degree culminates with the completion of a practicum, where students have the opportunity to acquire real work experience in centers of several types, representing possible professional careers for graduates, such as educational schools, sports clubs, and fitness centers, physical rehabilitation clinics, public sports services, facilities for people with disabilities, and so forth. Additionally, students have the opportunity to get involved in extracurricular activities developed by the lecturers teaching in this degree, such as research projects, sporting events, congresses, seminars and conferences of different kinds. This early start on research roles has a continuation in the master's and subsequent doctoral programs. In turn, students can complete part of their studies in both European and non-European universities through the several existing collaboration agreements with universities in countries like the United States, Argentina, Chile, Germany, Norway, for example. To perform this highly practical content, the University of Alicante has one of the best sport facilities in a university setting, allowing students to practice a wide range of different sports and physical activities. Also, through the undergraduate degree, they have the opportunity to undertake activities in natural environments such as nautical activities on the beach and the yacht club in the city. The theoretical classes take place in the brand new facilities of the Faculty of Education with computer labs, faculty lounges and a spacious and well-equipped library with a specific literature on physical activity and sports through books or specialized journals. Our students also have the opportunity to actively participate in various sports teams of the University of Alicante that compete at the university level, in federated leagues, or also in the recreational internal leagues. To complete this comprehensive training, the university has an extensive cultural offering open for the students to discover their hobbies. For example, music or theatre through numerous courses and workshops taught on campus.